Next, slow drip with Kyono. Center pouring. Ya. Bentar ya, wait. Ya sayang. Kemana? I put it about 20 gram of coffee, Highland one. And then when I do the first pouring, I just do with the slow one and pouring all the powder. Still 80, going to 200 with slow pouring, 30 minutes and going. The grinder size, I use the F64 at number 90, the coarse one, very coarse one. And the third pouring, do it is more faster than the second one, the second pouring. I put it the center of saffron of corner. I reach 100 gram of brewing, and the brewing time right now is going to 6 minutes, and right now 5.30 going to 150 gram of coffee. I'm calling it patient coffee. When get to 100 and do it the last pouring in very fast way. Maybe before 10 minutes you can serve your coffee. Okay, 200 in 6 minutes. Wait, the coarse one. And we do the last pouring in the fast way. Done. Enjoy. Enjoy, my brother. Bismillah. Oh, mashallah, mashallah. It's very clean taste of coffee. Although you do it with the coarse one. look at the result of number 90 of the F64. I use screen size total 8.47 246 gram of coffee. Bismillah, enjoy. Alhamdulillah.